The inauguration of the construction of a council chapel and commissioning of a 300 kVA generating set is part of activities marking the first 100 days in office of the second tenure of Samuel Nwanosike as chairman of Ikwerre local government area.
What we are about to do here today is one of the promises my team and I made to God Almighty. And if He gives us the opportunity to manage the resources of our people, that we will build Him a place of worship in this council.
The people of Ikwerre local government area used the occasion to urge Governor Nyesom Wike to consider vying for the highest office in the country.
We are openly and publicly begging our leader, Nyesome Wike, please, sir, throw your hat in the ring to contest the president of Nigeria come January 2023. You are qualified, a true Nigerian, to manage this Nigeria and rebuild the northeast, the northwest, the north central, the southeast, the southwest, and the south to the glory of God.
All of us, Rivers people, will be very proud. Hit your hand on your chest and stand tall to tell everybody in Nigeria that we have a very good performing governor of Rivers State.
While urging Nwanosike to continue in his quality service delivery, the people all agreed that the council chairman has performed creditably.
If you look very, very well, most of the projects that are cited at the various communities and wards are not just for the fun of it. They meet the direct challenges, peculiarities, and wants of the individual ward.
Last tenure, I saw nowhere they say we are flagging off or we are commissioning. It was only the Ikwerre local government that we flagged off, we commissioned.
What I'm seeing today in the Ikwerre local government baffles me.
The 1,000-seater capacity council chapel is expected to be completed in 60 days.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.